Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we have this nice math Olympiad question before us here. The question reads, solve the square root of 17x minus, under it again, the square root of x to the power of 2 minus 5, everything equal to 7. So how do we solve for the value of x here? So if you're new here, this is Math Pros. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe because at Math Pros, we release at least a video every day for your learning. So let's take our solution. All right, so what is the first thing we do here? Yeah, we're going to eliminate this radical by taking the square of both sides of the equation. So this is going to give us here square root of 17x minus the square root of x to the power of 2 minus 5 or to the power of 2. This is equal to also square the right hand side of the expression. And so this square goes with this radical. So we now have here 17x minus the square root of x to the power of 2, then minus 5. This is equal to 49. Yeah, move the whole of this to this side alongside with the sign. Yeah, move this to this side. So this is going to give us here 17x and minus 49. This is equal to the square root of x to the power of 2 minus 5. Again, we want to eliminate this radical here. So we take the square of both sides. So this raised to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. So what do you discover? This will live with this. And so this expression here have it to be our 17x minus 49 all to the power, sorry, bracket 17x minus 49 again. Then this is equal to our x to the power of 2 minus 5. So let's simplify this now. Let's open up this. So we have 17x times 17x, that will give us 289. So we have here 289 x to the power of 2. Then 17x times minus 49, that will give us minus 833x. Then we come to this side again. So this will also give us minus 833x. Then we use minus 49 to multiply by minus 49. This will give us plus our 2401. Everything equal to x to the power of 2 minus 5. Okay, so what we do next here now? We can move every term to this side and then simplify. So let's move the 10 side before we sum up. So we have 8, 9, s to the power of 2. Then this comes to this side minus s to the power of 2 minus, here we have 8, 3, 3 x minus 8, 3, 3 x, then plus 2401. Then this turns to plus 5, everything equal to 0. Okay, now we can now go ahead to add these and these together. So we have 289x to the power of 2 minus this will give us 288 x to the power of 2, then minus, if we add these two together, this is going to give us 1666 x, then plus, if we add this together, it will give us 2406 equal to 0. Wow, look at this beautiful equation. How do we solve this beautiful equation? It's easy right now. Now, if you look at this, you discover that 2 can divide through everything here. So let's divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So this will end up giving us 144 x to the power of 2 minus, we use 2 to divide this, is going to give us 8, 3, 3, the x, the plus, we use 2 to divide is going to have 1, 2, 0, 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. And in solving this quadratic equation, we are not going to use the usual formula method. Let's try something different this time around. Let's use the completing the square method. Okay, so from here, say using the completing the square method. Okay, so what we do, we have to move this constant to this side. That is the first thing to do. So this is going to give us 1, 4, 4 x to the power of 2 minus 8, 3, 3 x equal to minus 1, 2, 0, 3. Now the next thing we do here is to make the coefficient of x squared to be unity. In other words, we'll make it to be 1. So we divide through by 1, 4, 4. We equally divide this by 1, 4, 4. Then we divide this by 1, 4, 4. So this will leave the system. So we now have our equation to be our x to the power of 2 minus 8, 3, 3 x all over 1, 4, 4 equal to minus 1, 2, 0, 3 all over 1, 4, 4. At this point, we multiply the coefficient of x by half, then square it and add it to both sides of the equation. What does that mean? It means we have to say 1 all over 2, which is half, times, where's the coefficient of x? Look at the coefficient, which is 833 all over 144. So I have here 833 all over 144, then we square it. Now, but what is the sign of this guy here? The sign here is minus. So we attach minus to this. Okay. So if we multiply out, this automatically will give us here bracket minus 833 all over 288 all raised to power 2. So we have to add this term to the left and the right hand side of our expression. So this now implies that our x to the power of 2 minus 833x all over 144, okay, the plus bracket our answer, which is this, going to be here minus our 833 all over 2, 288 all to the power of 2 equal to our minus 1203 all over 144, the plus again bracket minus 833 all over 288, close bracket all to the power of 2. Wow, this is nice. So what do we do next here now? Immediately you introduce this will leave the system. This is to the power of 2, this is to the power of 2. So we can bring these two together. So this is going to give us here, this now implies our x minus 833 all over 288 all to the power of 2. This is equal to minus 1203 all over 144, right? This 4 clicks. Then here is going to give us plus, because the square of minus 1 will still give us plus 1. So what is the square of 883? It's going to give you your 6, 9, 3, 8, 8, 9 all over the square of 288 give us 8, 2, 9, 4, 4. Okay, so let's continue. Let's keep this side of the equation and treat this side separately first. So we'll now look for the LCM of this and this. So the LCM is 82944. So this is going to give us here, this is equal to, if we draw up our line here, so let's take this as our 82944, right? Then here, we now use this to divide this. If we use this to divide it, multiply it by this, it's going to give us minus 6, 9, 2, 9, 2, 8. Let's extend this. The plus, if we use this to divide this, will give us 1 there. We'll multiply this, will give us 6, 9, 3, 8, 8, 9. Okay, so we can now go ahead to add this now. So this will now give us If we subtract this from this expression we have here, go to the left with 961 all over the denominator, which is 82944. So we can bring this side of our equation now. So everything together, this now implies bracket our x minus our 833 all over our 288 close bracket r squared is equal to our 961 all over 82944. We are looking for x, so we have to eliminate this again. So what we do, we take the square root of both sides, equally take the square root of this side. And so this goes with this, and we introduce our plus minus to this system here. So this is going to give us our x minus 833 all over 288. This is equal to, now the square root of 961 will give us 31. So we have plus minus 31 all over the square root of 82944 will give us 288. We have 288. Move this to this side of the equation. So when I have x is equal to 833 all over 288 plus minus 31 all over 288. Wow. So they have a common LCM. So this will end up giving us our 833 plus minus 31 all over our 288. Okay, we have two solutions from here now. So let's go ahead and split this. So to split this will give us 833 plus 31 all over 288, or our 833 minus 31 all over 288. Okay, so we can add up these two terms here now. So if we add this together, this is going to give us 864 all over 288 there. Or if we subtract this from this is going to give us 802 all over 288. Right? So if we use this to divide this will go into this 3 times. So we have 3 there. Or what is common to this and this is just 2. So if we use 2 to divide this, we're going to have 4, 0, 1 all over. We use 2 to divide this, we're going to have 1, 4, 4. So when I have our s, therefore our x1 is equal to 3. Then we have our x2 is equal to 401 all over 144. So these are the two roots to our radical equation. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this challenge. If you learned something from this challenge, then give the video a thumbs up. Now, if you are not clear with any of the steps analyzed here in solving this math problem, then drop it in the comment section. We are there to reply to your comments. Again, this is Math Prowess, and if you've not subscribed, do not hesitate to subscribe, because at Math Prowess we release math solutions all the time. Remember, we all here at Math Prowess, we love you, and thanks for being there all the time. Until we see you in our next class. Bye.